Alright, how you guys doing? I'm doing another video here. This is going to showcase some minor upgrades I've done with my PCs. I'm going to do two. I'm going to do one for my new gaming computer and my old gaming computer because I upgraded. I put some parts into each one. But basically, I'm going to start here. First upgrade is I added an older monitor, 19-inch Hans G monitor, to the newer 23-inch Hans G monitor. Love Hans G. Very good picture. Beautiful color. Refresh rate is amazing. And gameplay with either one of these is outstanding. The one thing that I like about this monitor over that one is that this one can go up or down. It can actually tilt. It can pan up and down, which this one can't. It's just a solid stand. But this one, it'll raise up and everything. Hold on. Not sure if I can do it. Screw it. But basically, you get the idea. Basically, increases workspace as well. I have both of these monitors hooked up to both of these computers so that I can actually run dual screen off of each one of these, or a combination of the two, which is pretty cool. But getting onto my PC, which is still beautiful, still working very well. Alright, I'm gonna take a look at the inside here. I'm going to start off with some cable routing. Improvements. I moved some of these cables around. A lot of the area right down here was kind of cluttered. So what I did was I took just about all of the Molex connectors and fed it through the bottom. There's a hole down here that you can feed them through on the opposite side. And it looks a little bit neater, but yeah, I did that. I rerouted this cable here before it came all the way out here and then kind of wrapped around. But I kind of tied that down a little bit. Let's see. Biggest upgrade I've done was the memory. I said in the last video that I was going to use better memory, and I have. This is Kingston HyperX memory. Very fast, solid. They're actually very heavy because of the heat sinks, but as soon as I hook these up, I'm able to play all of my games without any hitching whatsoever. It's beautiful. Moving on. Up here, kind of hard to see. There we go, straight ahead. That is the new Lite-on DVD-ROM drive. It uses a SATA connection instead of an IDE. My old, the one that I had before was a white one on the front. As you can see here, it is now black to match, which is nice. You know, you can open it up, and of course you see Call of Duty 4. Oh yeah. But basically, it was kind of weird setting this up because I'm so used to the old way with the IDE that I was looking all over the thing for the audio connection, but the audio connection is now in the SATA cable, which is pretty cool. That's basically it for the upgrade for this. It's not much. Didn't take much time to do that. But future upgrades got right here. CPU cooler and fans. CPU cooler I'm going to use here is the Gemini 2 from Cooler Master. It's the exact same cooler that I have on my first computer. It worked very well keeping the CPU on that computer cool, so I decided to go with it again. Also going with these fans because they are relatively quiet and move a lot of air. Actually, when I do my next video, you'll see these fans on that CPU. So that's basically it. Alright, I don't think I have anything else to say, so I will say goodbye.